The Ministry of Railways has approved the deputation of a 6-member Indian Railways delegation to Nepal for participation in high-level bilateral meetings focused on cross-border rail connectivity projects between India and Nepal. The delegation will visit Kathmandu on June 11th and 12th, 2026, excluding journey time, to attend the 8th Joint Working Group meeting and the 10th Project Steering Committee meeting. RailTel Corporation of India has taken a significant step toward building a future-ready workforce by formally onboarding onto the iGOT Karmayogi platform, the Government of India's flagship digital learning infrastructure under Mission Karmayogi. Shri Arnab Maitra, Head of Project and Business Unit Head of NTPC Bongaigaon, has been elevated as Executive Director of the station. Shri Maitra has been leading NTPC Bongaigaon, the 750 megawatt 3 times 250 megawatt flagship power station of NTPC in Assam since January 2025 and has played a pivotal role in strengthening the station's operational performance, reliability, safety standards, and stakeholder engagement initiatives. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited has received a limited notice to proceed from Damodar Valley Corporation, Kolkata for the main plant package of a 1 times 800 megawatt supercritical thermal power station at Durgapur. The LNTP was issued on June 10, 2026, and BHEL disclosed the development to BSE and NSE on June 11, 2026. State-owned NLC India Limited has entered into a strategic partnership with CSIR, Central Electrochemical Research Institute, CSIR, CECRI, Karaikudi, to develop advanced technologies for the beneficiation and extraction of critical and strategic minerals, including rare earth elements. State-owned telecom operator Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited has informed stock exchanges that it has been unable to deposit the required amount into its escrow account for the upcoming interest payment on its 6.85% bond series 6 due to insufficient funds. According to a regulatory filing made on Thursday, the 11th semi-annual interest payment on the bonds, identified by ISININE 153A08097, is due on June 21, 2026. RailTel Corporation of India Limited, the Navratna PSU under the Ministry of Railways, has issued 2 vacancy notices on June 10, 2026, inviting applications from railway executives for deputation to its southern and western regional operations. A total of 5 posts are on offer across the 2 notices. Shri C. Satyarama Krishna, presently serving as Chief General Manager and Head of Project at NTPC Bhar Super Thermal Power Station, has been elevated to the position of Executive Director in NTPC. The elevation recognizes his distinguished contribution to power generation, operations and maintenance excellence, and leadership across various NTPC stations over a career spanning more than 3 decades. Southeastern Coalfields Limited Chairman cum Managing Director Shri Harish Duhan held a courtesy meeting with the newly elected representatives of the SECL branch of the Coal Mines Officers Association of India at the company's headquarters on June 10th. The interaction marked the first formal meeting between the newly elected office bearers and the SECL management. The President of India, acting through the Ministry of Coal, has completed the sale of 377,931,550 equity shares of NLC India Limited through an offer for sale on the stock exchanges, reducing the government's promoter holding from 72.20% to 69.47%. The OFS was executed on June 9, 2026 for non-retail investors and June 10, 2026 for retail investors and employees.